Hello everyone. In this video, I will assemble a simple, but very interesting LED device in an unusual design. By its principle of operation, this device is a running fire. To make it, you will need a minimum of details and a little free time. I will assemble this LED device using volumetric mounting, so that its appearance will be even more unusual. First, let's pay attention to the schematic diagram of the device. It's very simple. The NE555 timer generates single repeating pulses that are received at the input of the CD4017 decimal counter. With each such pulse, the CD4017 chip consistently supplies voltage to its outputs, starting from 0. In this design, I will use 6 of the 10 outputs of the CD4017 counter. You can download this schematic diagram in the Telegram group. The link to the group will be in the description below this video, as well as in the first comment. First of all, I made a frame out of copper wire, and also soldered all the necessary jumpers from the chips. Now I will solder a pair of resistors and capacitors to the NE555 chip. Now I will solder a transistor and a current limiting resistor to each involved output of the chip. To make everything turn out beautifully and smoothly, first I combined the transistors with each other, and only then connected them to the chip. The main part of the device is ready. I just have to install the LEDs and connect them to the chip. To make it easier to arrange the LEDs, I previously made this template, in which I drilled a hole with a diameter of 5 mm. Now I will fix the LEDs here and connect their pins. Now I will connect the LEDs to the chip, and the device will be ready. To connect the LEDs, I will use an enameled copper wire with a diameter of 0.2 mm. Everything is ready. It's time to check what happened in the end. This concludes this video. If you liked it, then click the subscribe button so as not to miss the new video on my channel, which will appear very soon. I thank you for watching and see you soon.